Hi, I'm Blythe Stephens of A Blythe Coach, Dance Education and Coaching to move through life with balance, grace, and power. Today we're talking about types of jumps as described in Ballet Pedagogy, The Art of Teaching by Rory Foster. Describes Allegro and jumping in classical ballet in these forms. Allegro steps are divided into three basic categories: petite or small, medium, and grand allegro. Tempo, more than the individual step itself, plays the defining role for small and medium jumps. Petite allegro includes jumps terre à terre, where the feet barely leave the ground, along with small quick jumps without a lot of elevation. Medium allegro consists of the same steps as petite allegro, but is done to a slower tempo or a different rhythm or meter, which allows time for more sustained dynamics and elevation. Whether stationary or traveling, small or medium-sized steps, quick or moderate tempo, allegro must always be done with precision footwork and brilliantly dynamic leg work in batterie. The repertoire of jumps falls into certain descriptive categories depending on the takeoff and the landing of the step. The following are the various categories of jumps along with a few examples. 1. 2 feet to 2 feet. Sauté, Changement, Echappé. Jumps 2 feet to 2 feet. Sauté. Echappé. Changement. 1 foot to 1 foot. Jeté, Glissade, Temps Levé. Jumps 1 foot to 1 foot, the same foot, or sauté, temps levé, or hop. Jumps 1 to 1, 1 foot to the other foot, such as jeté, petit jeté, glissade, and grand jeté or saut de chat, leaping. So whether the leap be small or large, when it goes from 1 foot to the other foot, we have a leap or a jump from 1 foot to another. One foot to 2 feet. Assemblé. Brisé. 1 to 2. Assemblé in ballet. Or brisé. 2 feet to 1 foot. Sissonne. Jumps from 2 feet to 1. In ballet, we call that Sissonne. From 2 feet to 1. 2 feet to 1. 2 to 1. Depending on the speed of the music, whether it be petite allegro, medium allegro, or grand allegro, the music will be quicker or slower. And a key element of jumping is finding the downbeat. And this is something that was really emphasized in a recent workshop that I participated in with Dancing Wheels, which was a dance accessibility workshop for sit down and stand up dancers. So for dancers who are dancing, for example, in a wheelchair or in a seated position, the key element of jumping is not so much elevation and getting high into the air, but finding that downbeat. So that's something that all dancers can share in, is finding that downbeat on the music. So we're landing on the downbeat, whether we be landing onto our feet, or whatever it is we're landing onto. Thanks so much for joining me to talk some more about the types of jumps. And while you're here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and check out my website, ablythecoach.com. That's ablythecoach.com. A lot more fun free resources for you there. See you next time.